Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Face ID authentication with local authentication on iOS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Face ID authentication with local authentication on iOS, start by opening your Xcode project. Import the local authentication framework at the beginning of your Swift file. Create an instance of LA context. Check if the device supports Face ID by using the CanEvaluate policy method. This method requires you to specify the policy type, which is .device owner authentication with biometrics. Handle errors if the device does not support Face ID or if biometrics are not enrolled. In the success case, proceed to request the biometric authentication. Use the evaluate policy method, passing the policy type and a localized reason string to explain why you need authentication. Implement the completion handler to handle the authentication result. Inside the completion block, check if the authentication was successful. If successful, proceed with the authenticated action or flow of your application. If unsuccessful, manage the error appropriately, providing feedback to the user. Consider implementing fallback authentication methods for better user experience. Make sure to test your implementation on a physical device as the simulator does not support Face ID. Now, run your app and try using Face ID to verify your authentication process. Ensure you handle all potential errors to enhance security and user experience. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Face ID authentication with local authentication on iOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.